The Cadillac XT6 will be introduced at the 2024 Guangzhou Auto Show on November 15. The appearance of the new Cadillac XT6 almost maintains the current design, with its solid style and three-dimensional shape. The front face is still designed with a trapezoidal grille, placed in the dot-strike grille, and equipped with sequential lighting daytime running lights on both sides. The new car will also have the Cadillac Black Label, which is expected to be installed on high-end models to show a sense of nobility. Compared with the old model, in addition to the car logo, you can also see that the new car has darkened the front air intake grille and the chrome trim on the front bumper, increasing the sporty feeling. The side shape is calm and majestic, with a strong sense of power, which is also loved by the target audience. In order to unify the style of the front face, it has smoked, the glass trim strips, anti-scratch side strips and wheel rims. The rim style seems unchanged and is expected to be 20-inch obsidian aluminum alloy rims. The size will probably be the same as the current XT6, with a length, width and height of 50/56/1964/1777 mm respectively, a wheelbase of 2,863 mm and a length of 5 meters, which provides certain space conditions in the vehicle. A small spoiler is designed at the top of the rear, T-shaped taillight groups are arranged on both sides, and the license plate frame and tailgate decorative strips are blacked out to emphasize the sporty style. The second row has been upgraded with 6-way adjustable aviation headrests, 2-stage seat armrests and high-level independent seats. Electric boss buttons adjustable with heating, ventilation, massage and other functions. It is reported that all models of the car will be upgraded to a 6-seat layout, while the 7-seat version may no longer be available. The center console design is probably a familiar formula, with a recessed center console and a chicken leg-style gear knob. Cadillac's new XT5 uses a 33-inch curved screen and pod design. The new Cadillac XT6 is not expected to have any major changes in its power system. It will continue to be equipped with a 2.0T plus 48V mild hybrid system with a maximum power of 174 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 350 Nm. It provides a 9-speed automatic manual transmission and 2-wheel drive, and 4-wheel drive is optional. The Cadillac XT6 on-sale guide price range is 412,700 to 552,700 yuan.